Have you ever stopped to think about just how wild pregnancy really is? Sure, we all know it's how life begins. But beyond the basics, pregnancy is full of mind-blowing, almost unbelievable facts that will completely change the way you see it. For example, did you know that during pregnancy, a baby can actually send cells to heal its mother's body? Or that your brain literally changes while you're pregnant? Stick around, because we're diving into some of the most amazing, surprising, and downright incredible facts about pregnancy. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at it the same way again. Oh, and if you love learning cool new things, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps more people find this video and keeps us making more content like this. All right, let's get started. 1. Your baby can heal you from the inside. This one sounds straight out of science fiction, but it's 100% real. When you're pregnant, some of your baby's cells actually enter your bloodstream and stay in your body for decades. This phenomenon is called microchimerism, and researchers have found fetal cells in a mother's heart, brain, and even wounds, helping her heal. Studies suggest that these cells may even protect moms from diseases like Alzheimer's and certain cancers. Imagine that. Your baby is looking out for you before they're even born. 2. Pregnancy shrinks and rewires. Your brain ever heard of pregnancy brain? Turns out it's not just in your head, except that it totally is. Scientists have found that pregnancy literally shrinks certain parts of the brain, but not in a bad way. Instead of losing function, your brain becomes more efficient. It rewires itself to help you bond with your baby, recognize their needs, and become hyper-aware of your surroundings. So next time someone jokes about mom brain, just remind them, you're not forgetful, you're upgrading. 3. You glow, but it's not just happiness, that famous pregnancy glow. It's not just excitement, although that plays a part. It's actually caused by increased blood flow and hormonal changes. During pregnancy, your blood volume increases by up to 50%, which boosts circulation and makes your skin look brighter and more radiant. Plus, pregnancy hormones can make your oil glands more active, giving your skin a natural sheen. So yes, pregnant people do glow. Science says so. 4. Your organs actually move around. Carrying a baby isn't just about a growing belly. Your entire body makes space for your little one. By the 3rd trimester, your uterus expands 500 times its original size. And to fit this growth, your organs literally shift. Your stomach, intestines, and even your heart move to new positions, making room for your baby. And here's the crazy part. After birth, everything just goes back. Talk about a real-life superpower. 5. You breathe for 2, but not the way you think. A lot of people think being pregnant means you have to eat for 2. But did you know you also breathe for 2? Pregnancy increases your oxygen needs, so your lungs actually expand, and your body absorbs oxygen more efficiently to deliver to your baby. This is why many pregnant people feel out of breath even when they're just sitting down. It's not just exhaustion, it's your body adjusting to its new oxygen demands. 6. Your sense of smell becomes superhuman. If you've ever been pregnant, or know someone who has, you've probably heard about weird food aversions. But it's not just cravings. Pregnancy makes your sense of smell up to 100,000 times stronger. Scientists believe this happens to help expectant mothers avoid dangerous foods. Back in ancient times, this heightened sense of smell may have been a survival instinct, helping pregnant people steer clear of rotten food, toxic plants, and harmful bacteria. That's why some foods and smells that never bothered you before can suddenly seem unbearable. Your body is literally trying to protect you and your baby. 7. Your hair and nails grow faster than ever. During pregnancy, high estrogen levels keep hair in its growth phase for longer, which is why many people experience thicker, shinier hair. But it's not just hair, nails grow faster too. This happens because of increased circulation and nutrients being delivered more efficiently throughout the body. The downside? Many new moms experience postpartum hair shedding because those extra hairs eventually fall out once hormone levels return to normal. But don't worry, it's temporary. 8. Babies cry in the womb. This one is mind-blowing. Around the 28th week, babies in the womb start practicing facial expressions, swallowing, and even crying. Ultrasound scans have captured fetuses making crying faces and even responding to noises. Some researchers believe this is a way for babies to practice communicating before they're born. So yes, your baby might actually be crying before they even take their first breath. 9. You produce more blood than ever before. By the time you're in your third trimester, your body is carrying 50% more blood than usual. Why? Because your baby needs a constant supply of nutrients and oxygen, and your body is working hard to deliver it all. This extra blood flow is also why some pregnant people experience nosebleeds or gum bleeding. The blood vessels are working overtime. 10. Your baby's DNA stays inside you. Forever remember those fetal cells that can heal a mother's body? Here's something even wilder. Some of your baby's DNA becomes part of you forever. Scientists have found fetal DNA in a mother's brain decades after pregnancy. Some studies suggest this DNA may even play a role in long-term health, helping mothers recover from injuries and fight off diseases. So in a way, a part of your baby is always with you, even after they grow up. Pregnancy isn't just about growing a baby. It's a biological masterpiece. Your body transforms, adapts, and even rewires itself to create and sustain new life. And the craziest part? Science is still discovering new things about pregnancy every single year. So which fact blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video fascinating, hit that like button and share it with someone who'd love to learn these amazing facts. Don't forget to subscribe for more surprising and mind-blowing content. We've got plenty more coming your way.